Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Make Brickwork. Today I'll be building this. Set number 72583, the AAT, contains 286 pieces and comes with 4 minifigs. So before that, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell, and let's continue. So I'm building this set because May 4th coming, which is a big day for LEGO, which is Star Wars Day. And they'll be releasing a bunch of new sets saying May 1st, and you could get a special deal on some of the older Star Wars sets, and also they'll also give you a gift for purchase. So I just, for the month of May, I'll be building Star Wars sets, and to celebrate the May 4th, so we're building it first. So I will sort the pieces and do the build. This is the finished build of the AAT. First of all, the minifigs. So it comes with Ahsoka Tano with her dual-wielded lightsaber, her 332nd Trooper, the tank driver, and the tank commander. So, so if you try to get this 332nd Trooper, I think it's worth a lot of money, like maybe $25. Since she might be worth less because there's lots of versions of Ahsoka out there. So like I got 2 versions right now. One for this tank and also one for the dual Mandalore. So okay, and for the build itself. So the turret does rotate 360 degrees. The cannon does elevates and elevates. And then you have 2 side guns right here. And of course, I like the scale because it's like military scale, so I like the scale. And you can also fit the 2 droids in here. this. And you could place the other one on the top of the turret, like this. See it right there. So what they did was to make it look like it's levitating. There's a couple of the bolt pieces on the back, and of course it also shoots by pressing these two technique pins right here. Okay, like that. This is the final play picture. So that's it. So finally, this was released back in 2020, and throughout the years, Lego made 4 different variations of this, and they're all play scale. But of course, they came out with the new one this year, 2024, which is a tiny little polybag you could buy for $5, and also 10 version. They made a blue one before, but of course, more bigger and rounder. And then they made 2 other 10 versions. Of course, if you try to buy those in the off-kit, of course, it costs you a lot of money. So that's it. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe, and leave a comment down below what you'd like to see next. And have a nice day.